In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a unique table design idea. First of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rectangle, and then we can set the size with any size as we want anyway. Maybe we can just throw the size like this, just see the dimension anyway, so then we can push it up. Okay, and then we can make group, and then we can make the another shape over there. Then we can push it up and make group. Okay, and then we can make the circle over there. We can make the circle and type 6s and just like this. Okay, and after that we can offset it. It's outside maybe just like this. So then we can delete it, and then we can push it to the front again. Okay, and then we can make group, and then we can place on this position. Okay, and then we can make the rectangle over there. So we can make the scale of the rectangle to make the large scale of the top table anyway. Okay, so we can see about it, and then we can make it group anyway. Then we can delete it. Okay, and then we can push it to the back. Okay, and then we can delete it, and we can okay. And then we can make the another material of it. We can use synthetic surface. Maybe we can use this. Okay, and it's done. Okay, I think it's enough. Wait for my next video. Thank you.